So why did I start this channel? What made me want to continue drawing? Why didn't I give up a long time ago? I've been asked these questions by many people many times, and I put a lot of thought into it, and I've come to the conclusion that I'm doing it because I want to. I'm doing it for myself, and I'm not doing it for attention or for validation from other people. I'm doing it because I love drawing. It's what I love to do, and I like helping people and teaching other people ways to draw and how to learn different types of drawing, such as abstract or portrait and realism. But I've come a long way, and I'm proud of all the things that I've overcome. And when I look back on all that and everything that's happened and all the obstacles that I've overcome in life, and whenever things are difficult, I just think back to all that, and it reminds me of why I'm doing this and why I'm here, and that it doesn't matter how popular I am or how much money I make from drawing. And what it's really about is doing something that you love, something that gives you purpose to where you wake up every morning and you enjoy doing it. You know, when I wake up in the morning and every day, I think about the different things that I want to draw. I think about how it's helping me and it helps get my mind off of everything. And the reason I started this channel originally was because I was kind of depressed. I had a lot on my mind, and I didn't really know what to do with all the thoughts and ideas I had in my head. And so I picked up a pen and I just started drawing. I started recording myself and I started making videos. My first few videos I wasn't talking or anything, but after a while I got into doing some commentary and talking. And I'm enjoying doing this. It helps me discover more about myself, and through this journey of doing this and discovering myself, I want to help other people, and I want to help other people that have had a lot to overcome in life, or even those that haven't had a lot to overcome, to help those people understand where I'm coming from and what I'm trying to explain, and how I want to help people to not only better themselves as an artist, but to better themselves as a person. And that's my goal, is to not only help myself get better as an artist to draw, but to help others improve as well. And I think that with all this going on in the world and all the bad things that are happening, I often find that it's when people don't know what to do with their life and things are difficult, and they turn to just self-indulging things and they end up ruining their life. I find that when you go out and help other people, and you seek to help other people that are going through the same problems, you'll find that there's a lot of people out there that can't understand you. It's just hard to find them because we're so caught up in everything that's happening in the world. But my goal is to just be the best person I can be, and through this journey to help other people do the same.